What is an eclipse? An eclipse is an awe-inspiring celestial event. Anywhere from 4 to 7 times a year, our Earth, Moon, and Sun line up just right to create the cosmic scale shadow show known as an eclipse. It drastically changes the appearance of the two biggest objects we see in our sky, our Sun and Moon. There are two kinds of eclipses: the solar eclipse, which happens during the day, and the lunar eclipse, which occurs at night. Eclipses have been occurring on Earth since long before humans walked the planet. Throughout time, humans have had different interpretations of and reactions to these striking celestial events. 30 November 3340 BCE, believed to be the oldest recorded eclipse in human history. A series of spiral shaped and circular petroglyphs was found at the Loughborough megalithic monument in County Meath, Ireland. Around 1200 BCE, scribes in Anyang, China recorded eclipse on oxen shoulder blades and tortoise shells called oracle bones. In these eclipse records, the scribes said the sun has been eaten. At Chaco Canyon in New Mexico, a petroglyph carved into the rock face by early Pueblo people may represent an eclipse that occurred there in July 11, 1097. In 29 May 1919, during an eclipse, Sir Arthur Eddington led an eclipse expedition that validated Einstein's theory of general relativity, which suggests that gravity warps time and space. Evidence of this was seen on the eclipse that happened on this day. 21 August 2017, an eclipse crossed the United States from Oregon to South Carolina. The path of totality crossed 14 states. The Maya astronomical record includes documentation of eclipses, and according to the book Astronomy in the Maya Codices, even predicted an eclipse that happened in July 1991. Why do eclipses happen? An eclipse happens when a planet or a moon gets in the way of the sun's light. Depending on how they align, eclipses provide a unique, exciting view of either the sun or the moon. Here on Earth, we can experience two kinds of eclipses: solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and earth, casting a shadow on earth that either fully or partially blocks the sun's light in some areas. This only happens occasionally because the moon doesn't orbit in the exact same plane as the sun and earth do. The time when they are aligned is known as eclipse season, which happens twice a year. During an eclipse, the moon obstructs the sun's vibrant yellow light, causing the sky to darken. As a result, only the sun's corona or its outermost layers are visible, which are primarily white. This creates the illusion of a hollow sphere. Now it's time to see how the lunar eclipse compares. A lunar eclipse occurs when Earth is between the Sun and the Moon, causing Earth to cast a shadow on the Moon. The moonlight we see on Earth is sunlight reflected off the Moon's grayish white surface. The amount of Moon we see changes over the month. It's called lunar phases. Because the moon orbits Earth and Earth orbits the sun, everything is moving. During a lunar eclipse, Earth comes between the sun and the moon, blocking the sunlight falling on the moon. Earth's shadow covers all or part of the lunar surface. During a lunar eclipse, the moon turns red because the only sunlight reaching the moon passes through Earth's atmosphere. The more dust or clouds in Earth's atmosphere during the eclipse, the redder the moon will appear.